Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to change PowerPoint to dark mode and switch away from the default colorful theme. This instantly swaps out those bright white background panels and side menus for a sleek dark layout, reducing eye strain and saving battery life during long nighttime presentation editing sessions. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint. Look at the top left corner of the interface menu row and click on File. Look at the absolute bottom of the left-hand navigation sidebar panel and click directly on Options. A detailed configuration window will pop up on your screen. Click on the General tab located at the very top of the sidebar list. Move your eyes to the middle section layout. Locate the specific setting choice drop-down menu explicitly labeled Office Theme. Click that choice's menu layout, scroll through the color theme configuration list, and select dark gray or black to activate full dark mode. If you want your software colors to automatically match your Windows dark mode preferences, you can choose the Use System Setting option instead. Drop down to the bottom right of the main options window layout and click the OK button to lock your new dark visual style into the system core. Alternatively, you can change this theme quickly by clicking on Account instead of Options inside the main File menu panel, then swapping the theme choice dropdown right there on the dashboard. And that's it. Your low-glare, dark design workspace theme configuration is now completely optimized and active. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.